Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Let's work with the topic invertebrates and animals with jointed legs. Animals with jointed legs. Copy the topic, please. Invertebrates and animals with jointed legs. Yesterday, we talked about the classifications of animals, how they are grouped. And we learned that animals are grouped into big groups, vertebrates or invertebrates.
Please copy that.
You copied this yesterday, this information. Vertebrate animal is because it has a backbone, and a backbone is the main bone made up of many small bones. Look at this animal that is here is a raccoon. This raccoon has a backbone, but this worm doesn't have a backbone. So the raccoon is vertebrates because it has a backbone and has bones. And this worm is invertebrates. Okay? And this backbone is made up of many small bones joined together that runs along the middle of the back in some animals. Now, animals without backbones, like this worm, as I said before, about 97% of the animals in the world have no backbone. 97%. Imagine. Why? Because the earth has more insects and bugs. More insects and bugs that lions, that dogs, and all of those animals that are vertebrates. Okay? Insects and bugs, the population is greater than vertebrates in the world. That's why it says that only 3%, Diego, only 3% of the animals in the world are vertebrates. Now, yesterday you copy vertebrates. Remember here that you write, so copy this. The same way you did it yesterday with vertebrates. So you're gonna copy this diagram. Invertebrates.
Please copy the diagram and the
only the diagram. Okay, only the diagram. The same way you did it yesterday. You're gonna draw the diagram. Invertebrates.
These are animals that do not have backbone.
Exactly. Protozoa. Colentrates.
Your microphones.
Colentrates. Flatworms. Arthropods. Annelid worms. Mollusks. And echinoderms. Look, the sea stars, oh, this one, starfish, are echinoderms. Echinoderms, sea starfish, las estrellas de mar.
He don't have backbones.
It doesn't have backbone. Yeah, that's correct. Doesn't have backbone.
Miss?
Yeah?
We need to copy the information or only the name?
You could copy an example, one example. For example, in echinoderms, starfish. In annelid, earthworm, un gusano de tierra. This one doesn't have example. Arthropods. Protozoa, it doesn't have example.
Flatworm have a sample. I finished, Miss. Finish.
Your microphones.
Okay. Uh-huh. Finished. Okay.
Yes.
The information here says how invertebrate animals vary. Animals with that backbones make up most of the animals in the world. Animals without backbones. It represents over 97% of all animals on Earth. 97%, okay? 97%. Did you finish drawing the...
No, miss.
No?
No, miss. Miss, we need to draw and copy that. Lo que está abajo.
No, you need to draw the diagram. Make the diagram.
I
you're not...
and draw, miss.
You draw? Okay. But you wrote the names, right? Mollusks.
Yes.
Look at this.
Yes, the names.
This is a snail. This is a snail.
In the picture. Copy.
Look at this. Arthropod. Heart, external skeleton, and jointed limbs. I'm gonna teach you an example of arthropods because it doesn't have there the picture. Arthropods examples. Look at them. Are insects, are very common insects. And some of them are not as ugly as we thought. Look, a butterfly, a ladybug.
And why a butterfly?
It's an arthropod.
Miss, can you please bajar la pantalla?
Mine, like that?
I don't know what happened with my... Okay, I already... Thank you.
See, so a worm, that's a caterpillar, and a spider, a dragonfly, a crab, a beetle, ladybug, butterfly. These are arthropods. The other one, colentrids. I'm in school. This one. Look. This is colentrids. Because the picture here doesn't have an example. This one. This one looks like an anemone, right? Look at it. Where clownfish live. Looks like an anemone, right? So that's a colentrids.
The flatworm, I remember that like a pepino de mar.
Oh, flatworm.
Yeah. And I go to tell them we go in a lancha to Isla Escondida.
In a boat.
To Playa Escondida. To Playa Escondida. Mom and my big sister, Monse, go down, se bajaron de la lancha.
They dive in the water? Dive in the water?
Pero con unos lentes que podían ver todo, o sea, todo.
I don't like that.
Y miraron un pez payaso,
Oh, there's a clownfish. See?
Y también dos medusas. I don't like the lancha.
Flatworms.
Dos medusas y salieron corriendo.
Look at this one. It's a flatworm also.
That looks cute.
Yeah, probably is. Wow. I don't know. Sometimes at home.
I finished, Miss.
Okay.
I have not finished. Look.
Okay, continue. Did you finish? Did you finish this? Oh, I was, this one, for example.
Yes, I am drawing.
But drawing, we don't have time. Well, this one is kind of similar to some babosas. Have you seen babosas in your house?
No.
Yes, I see babosas.
Good job, Krista.
Miss, look. Look, Miss, I am Ivana.
Very beautiful. So we used to, what do we do with this babosa? We call them babosas. We add salt. That's my mom, well, my grandma taught me, ella me enseñó that that's what we have to do. We have to add some salt. But I don't know now, honestly, I don't know if it was correct. If an animal that is inside my house that do not represent danger for me, I think I just have to take it and put it out of my house. That's what I think. Now that I am an adult. Okay, continue.
Yes.
Yeah? Everyone did the diagram? Okay, let's continue.
Yes.
Examples. Look at all of these. Animals without backbone. They don't have backbone. Freshwater sponge. No, you don't. Freshwater sponge, like SpongeBob. SpongeBob is a sponge. Okay? See, anemone, earthworm. When we are going to plant.
A freshwater sponge looks creepy.
Creepy, okay. When we are going to plant something, we dig.
The planarian is so flat.
So the earthworm, when we dig in the earth, sometimes we find earthworm. Okay, centipede, sea gooseberry, fly, crab, spider, whelk, sea urchin. Este es un erizo de mar, sea urchin.
Yes, when we go in a lancha, they go down.
There were many. Yeah, that's correct.
We grab one and they show, and once they grab it. And a starfish, a black starfish.
Yeah, crab.
I don't like the lancha.
In a boat. You were in a boat. Okay. Now look at this. Insects and other animals with jointed legs. Insects such as butterflies, bees, flies, and beetles can be very different from one another. All insects have 3 body parts. Copy this information. All insects, but copy this subtitle. Insects and other animals with jointed legs. And then copy this part. Copy the underline information, please. All insects have 3 body parts. Head, thorax, and abdomen.
To draw the abeja.
No, it's not a bee. I think it's not a bee. I think. Yes.
Un ogro azul que pasaba por el lugar escuchó unos quejidos y llantos tan tristes que le partió.
That's our teacher of español.
Sorry, Isa, you are with another student, pero el volumen del otro niño está muy alto. Dígale que si le baje un poquito. Isa, What do you want to tell me? You have to copy the underlying information, please. This underlying information, copy in your notebook, please. Okay? That's what you have to copy. The title and this information.
Underline.
The underlying information, yes. Underlying information. An insect has 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Also have 3 pairs of jointed legs. 3 pairs. 3 pairs of jointed legs. Oh, yes. What happens if an insect, what happens if an animal has 8 legs? Because a characteristic, it is not an insect. It is an arachnid. Spiders are arachnid, not insects. Because the characteristics of an insect is that they have head, thorax, and abdomen, and 3 pairs of jointed legs. 3 pairs equals to 6 legs, and a spider has 8. So it's not an insect. A spider is an arachnid.
They found 2 tarantulas.
Wow. When you went to the beach. Okay.
In the night.
Oh.
Copy.
Yes, the underlying information.
Miss, when I copy and say baby, my father see a tarantula muerta.
Wow. A death tarantula.
Miss, I going to tell. Yo ya fui a Telan.
I went to Tela.
I don't see. I don't see. No, in Miami, I going to Miami, and in Miami Beach, I see a jellyfish.
Be careful and don't touch it.
There were a lot of jellyfish
that have one cosa naranja.
Wait, Majo. Ajá, Ivana.
Has una cosa naranja adentro.
Oh, you know that jellyfish is an animal that has no brain? No brain. Jellyfish has no brain. Es un animal sin cerebro, no brain. And it's invertebrate. Yes, and it is invertebrate. Finish copying this?
No, miss, I don't finish the cover.
Yes, miss, I'm finished.
Okay. Good job if you finished.
I don't finish, miss.
Hurry up. Hurry up, it's time.
We need to draw the bee.
I finished.
No, it's not necessary.
I finished.
Daniel, your camera.
Miss,
thank you. What do you want to show me?
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Excellent, Santiago. Excellent. Okay. Now, I am going to upload this in Schoology because I don't have more time, and this is important for you. Okay, or you can copy in 3 minutes. Do you think can you finish in 3 minutes?
No.
But let's try.
I don't know.
Please.
Copy this definition. Exoskeleton. Okay? This is compound word. Exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is a hard outer covering that supports and protects some animals without backbone. Okay? Exoskeleton. For example, crabs. Crab is hard. The hardened part is outside. That is an exoskeleton. Daniel, copy, please. You are not copying. What are you doing, Alan? Copy, please. Exoskeleton. is a hard outer covering that supports and protects some animals without backbone. Okay? Example, crabs, a snail. Okay, a turtle also has like a kind of an exoskeleton because I have something that protects it. Spider has exoskeleton. The harder part is outside. Now, for an insect to grow, it must molt. Molt is to shed an animal's outer covering. Once insects are full grown, they do not molt. Have you ever seen skins como la piel de algunos insectos? Por ejemplo, a cockroach, una cucaracha, molt. When the cockroach is growing, en la piel, let's say like that, en la piel que tiene, ya no cabe. Y la piel no crece, pero él sí creció por dentro. Entonces, ¿qué pasa? Se cambia, se quita eso, se lo quita y sigue creciendo. Like snakes, las serpientes mudan piel. Se van saliendo ellas de la piel porque ya no se estira más. Eso se llama molt.
Las arañas too.
Please,
Yes,
finished.
spiders, molt, cockroaches, snakes.
Finish.
Okay.
Please, cangrejos.
Yeah, some crabs also
Finish,
molt.
miss.
Exactly.
Finish, miss.
Eso es molt. Eso es molt. Once insects are full grown, when the insect is not going to continue growing, they do not molt again.
Please look, I'm finished.
Hey, Alan, you are not copying. Deje de rayarse el brazo. Copy, please. Okay, if you finish, you can dismiss the class.
Okay.
See you in a couple of minutes. See you at 11, please.
Bye, miss.
Bye. Okay.
Bye, miss.
Bye-bye.